But let's get to the actual weight loss numbers, because there are more recent meta-analyses that compiled data from multiple studies. One from 2020 looked at 32 trials and found an average weight loss of 2.07 kilograms. A more recent one from 2025 looked at 6 trials with 583 people total and found, actually, wait, let me check this. No, 0.37 kilograms. Yeah, basically no significant effect.
So we're talking about what, 2 to 4 kilograms at most in the best case scenario?
At most. Now let me show you what Ozempic actually does, because this is where the comparison completely falls apart.
Okay,
Ozempic went through the STEP clinical trial program. That's 6 large randomized controlled trials
right.
over 2,000 participants each. They ran these for 68 to 104 weeks. So we're talking about a year and a half to 2 years of data.
Hmm.
And the results? Average weight loss of 15 to 16 kilograms. That's 14.9% to 17.4% of body weight. 51 to 64% of participants lost at least 15% of their body weight. With placebo, that was only 5 to 13%.
Okay, so let me make sure I'm understanding this correctly. Berberine, 2 to 4 kilograms maybe. Ozempic, 15 to 16 kilograms.
That's a 4 to 8 times difference. This isn't even close. It's like saying a bicycle is nature's Ferrari because they both have wheels.